Lately, Christmas magic begins with a good old-fashioned road trip. We pack up the car, grab our two excited kiddos and one of our family friends. Our destination, the incredible Santa's Wonderland in Texas. It was a solid 2 to 3 hour drive, but honestly, every mile was worth it. The second you see those dazzling lights on the horizon, you know you're in something special. Stepping inside is like walking into the Austin Trail of Lights before. But this isn't just a light display, it's a full on Christmas amusement park. The sheer scale of activities here is unbelievable, from high rides through millions of twinkling lights to meeting the big man himself. In this visit, we knew we had to maximize our time. The kids were absolutely thrilled. We went from one festive attraction to the next, soaking it all in. There were lots of food stalls everywhere, offering everything from funnel cakes to hot chocolate, making sure we had plenty of fuel for all the fun. But here's the thing. We spent a solid 2 hours and then some exploring, and it simply wasn't enough time to visit every area. This place is massive. We barely scratched the surface of all the rides, games, and photo ops. So if you're looking for an unforgettable holiday experience, mark this down. Santa's Wonderland is a must-see during the Christmas holidays in Texas. It's the perfect way to make those lasting family memories. The drive is long, the time flies by, but the share of joy is priceless.
Dito, 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 diyan, dyan, dyan. No,